and I want them to have fun. So as soon as I said that, once I put that into my my thoughts, I knew that I needed to develop songs. So I started writing them, and translating them was out of the question because I'm not a good translator. I'm not a good translator. Sometimes when I hear a tune, words just come out of my mouth. That's how I sing that. It just comes out of my mouth. So it's not like I translated it. So I brought you 3 songs, and no Jeddore, we say Najiginamasi, which is similar. Lankolans Nemidu, Amalbare San. Now, those songs here, I wrote Amalbare San at Woodwater. It just came to me. So I was singing it like, so I said, I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it to my nephews. And my nephews are sons. So I said, so I said, I have a new song. And they looked at me, and I said, what Donna? Because I said, if they don't like it, nobody will like it. That's what my philosophy is. Huh? I'm going to test it. So I sang it to them. And I burst out laughing. I said, that wasn't a good test. So it was funny. Then I wrote, and then as soon as I wrote it, then my grandson, who speaks Mi'kmaq, Leila, immediately sang that song right after I sang it. But immediately, without any lyrics or anything like that. They just sang it out like as if they knew it. Huh? Oh, so, you are good for the that should kill. Oh my God. Anyway, so those kinds of things were happening. So, we translate about what Bible. I didn't translate these. Okay, impossible. Only Donna had a farm. They don't care about it. So that's why that was it. When I started writing it, it just came out of my mouth on how to sing it. So, and then I said, oh, wait, oh God. But I wrote it down, and then I put other characters in there, other animals in there, and the sound. Same thing with Wheels on the Bus. We know how it goes. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. When it's the wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. And the white goes something, something. But you wait, you're not going to say it. What are they one? So, bus tune it, munje. So, Jeddore, okay. When tune, because our teachers know that tune. I'm going to use their previous knowledge or their knowledge and combine it with something that kids can learn. Now, those words, Ebasi mean nabasiktu. Basiktu, basiktu. Ebasi mean nabasiktu. Najiginamasi. Boy, oh boy, what goes to a hanna. After a kilo, Kisiginam Wadoso, Miwaji, just by those lyrics itself. So, Eginamasi, Ginamasi, Najiginamasi, I am going to go and learn. So, Gluedus nu, Nujigina Muet is a teacher, get la. So even every come up met, Nujigina Muet, I'll connect the one Nujigina Muet at the end, I mean in the middle part. The boss, Yebidaji, Namijuajish, Yebidaji, Namijuajish, Najiginamasi. So again, Mijuajish, focus on Yani, when I never Mijuajish, never Widajish, Mijuajish. How much associate Keriji, never Mijuajish on a daily basis. Nujiginam wet, Escamalit. Nujiginam wet, Escamalit. So right off the bat, when we have those 4 direction teachings, from 0 to 7, the first quadrant of that circle. 0 to 7, Neski responsibility, kindergarten, primary teachers, because they're in that quadrant right there when those kids walk in that door. Baby, Kilnugi, Smugi, Perpoalugi, Bisanorugi, Kilnugi, Labis Boktabig, Wajish, Labis Kilnuga, Gaidoa, Labis Bok to the guy, Gaidoa, Bagnegam, Labis Wichi, Liga, Halakoya, Asamuga, I get more than Mugum Sakoe. Jujidan Jiraji school, there's still Gilnu, Grishan Nugino. Juju Elgite school, Pelarugi, Juju Elnamugo to the hand of that teacher. Transfer that power, that Dante's responsibility, Dante's respect to that person, Dan Gunamwara, Gunijan. Mirsileki, that 0 to 7 quadrant. So that's why, we've got life cycle edit, because pretty soon they're going to be in the next life cycle, which is 7 to 14, the midway, 7 years, every 7 years, ritual. Okay, they'll be exploring more. Now we don't have to hold their hands. They're walking, before us. So their train of thoughts and their knowledge and their experiences change as they grow. Every 7 years we mature, and in that life cycle until we get to the white section, we're there until our hair is all white. What did we do? When I was 28, my God, I was foolish. Holy God, so we think back of all the maturity that we've had. So Nujinam is a very, very respected individual. Teacher. Jeddore teacher, glad it is. Because story when I was in primary, the very first time I wasn't told about school. When he knew about school, we just killed. Well, we just know of school, we can but telling me bunkish, we jail purchase. We jail gummies. And building it, hey man, next thing I know, baby, blonde what your last year is done, so those kinds of things. But my father told me at that moment, getting me down, teacher, I'll get your dad. And I walked with my dad home because we didn't have a car, or we walked, and I said, that teacher does, we do the arithmetic, that's how he said it, arithmetic, reading, and writing. And he was right. So, I was able to read, write, and do the arithmetic, and speak English too. So, these very important people that are core, the very forefront of your child's education. Our bus drivers, they carry a very, very sacred cargo. Because look, see, to our school, Elda Abjala to their homes. Estumaluji Gapnadio. Abjala if they're going back for dinner. So all these things. So we're going to sing that song. And I'm going to get a little water. Okay, you guys know how to tune already. Ready? So every day that those people are in his or her life. So, so now plural. So,
You are good.
Oh, okay.
Easy go now with a plural, so singular and plurals in that lesson right off the bat. The idea is give plural, so it's so gently, naturally. Easy go now with this roles of our people, career choice, so and you can introduce other careers as well. At a very early age. Because sometimes, I didn't know I was going to be a teacher. I graduated when I was 17 years old. I had no plans. So, because I wasn't prepared. So we believe that, okay, just because Ray Tinaman, okay, let's start talking about your career. No, we got to start talking about careers when they're like small. Building that tiny steps to that big decision. And we all have to be part of that decision making. We have to support them. So, I'm going to skip Lockeland. I'm going to go to Malbale and another choice that you can say Malbale, doctor, and Malbale son, when his son, John. So, my grandkids inspired me with this song because they're watching Wiggles. Now, look, we're going to read it first, because we're just going to read the first page. Read it to look what the print is, and why it is bold font, away must never lie. So, mambale with malbale with son, Maupilchet, mi sohona, neut, dabu, sis, neo, ahnan, or mambale with san. This one. Geajadu, gunji. So I'm commanding you, ajadu, gunji, and I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to do that. You're going to go do. Okay? Then you're going to repeat my command. You're going to reply. And that reply, you're going to say, Ajadu Nunji. Let's say it a little bit loud. Ajadu Nunji. Okay, now you're ready. So, You know what they to move. I want them to move. I don't want them sitting on their little butts with a I want them to move. Go away. You know, so you're going to be my kids, okay? Oh, Mama Larry, son, Monkey Jet, me so on, never sees, never none. Oh, Mama Larry, son, yeah, Jadu, Gunji, do, Ajadu, Nunji, do. Oh, Mama Larry, son, Monkey Jet, me so on, never sees, never none. Oh, Mama Larry, son, yeah, Jadu, Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, don't strike. All right. Okay, Ajadu to the weekend. Ajadu one to the weekend. Oh, Mama Larry, son, Mama Larry, son, never sees, never none. Oh, Mama Larry, son, yeah, Jadu. Oh, Mama Larry, son, Mama Larry, so none, never sees, never none. Oh, Mama Larry, son, yeah, Jadu, Gado, Ajadu, one, Ajadu, one, Barnigan, Ajadu, one, Vegan, Ajadu, one, Vegan, Ajadu, oh, Mama Larry, son, Mama Larry, so none, never sees, never none. Oh, Mama Larry, son.
Oh, you'll love them. You'll love all of them. No, no.
Oh, grandma, yeah, John, good away.
Oh my
You know what? You're gonna get that. Accept the wadi. Muda. You know? The wadi, get muda. So it's part of our body. So 5 parts is that one kilo. So you might just do go you. Nunchi. Punchi. La. Nunchi. Go you. Go in that. Go in that. So those kinds of things I'm sure give hygiene. If you're going to do TPR before you do that song, you do TPR on those words. Samade gunji. Samade bigan. Samade to the weekend. Samade pahanigan. Samade guttle. Ajadien of guttle. Ajadien. You know, Ajad wunji. You know, you dislodge all these things. You can prepare those kids. GPR, Jujua after one in the last song. Yeah.
For the gym.
Simon says, you see, I should also Simon says, Mom. You need sometimes playing Uda Lambalans, Tanjuel, one song. Just one verse came out of my mouth. Now, job. After that, telling of me, John T. G. Jaha Layla. What's in the Mola? Now, Eltema, Tanjula Lambalans. Now, oh my God, was so pretty, but they loved it. Now, then I didn't be a go away. Now, El Diag, what was it? El Diag. Now, they might do good diega. Would you diet to be a more to this ordinary, but was you diet to this song? Wish you that way chip. I won't put as you do now. But you diet. Now, there was Layla. Okay, with him in there, Uncle Ansel, days ago, his wedge to speak. Now, maybe diet, okay. And what all with this guy? Maybe you look there. Oh, never tell me he's up now. I never know, oh my God, what take it, never know, Peter. When I need right belly, very good. I'm out there, I'm a car, but from this goes on, we saw Hawaii. We had fun stuff. That's from where. So, and then, Elvado Jijak, no shade, Debali Debali nephew, there was a Christopher Simon, Winijik, Negam from Andrea, Never Wijan Jijua. I just made car, Halifax Airport. And then got Christopher, what's in the love of Deputy Han? As I got holy God, 60 boys, 60. Anyway, now, what you going to meet the Lamplans? Oh my God, I just swear, Halifax anyway. Now, Nanigea, all the in the big boy. Lamplans, Nenny do. You see, I did this. When did teach? So I'm talking about baby animals, baby animals. When did would be adult and okay. Baby and a day, you saw a lot. Okay. Lambalans, let me do E-I-E-I-O. When you got to teach me, E-I-E-I-o. Lambalans, let me do E-I-E-I-o. Teach me, E-I-E-I-o.
Donna that oink oink, Donna
Miau. 얘기 오대면 미야우지.
미야우?
대모되는 거. 나 이거 왜지요? 레스케 제스레 어디모도 캐자.
미요 이야이야요 미야우지 나위기지 이야이야요 올라대 미야미야 올라대 미야미야 올라미야 올라미야 스스라미 미야미야 미야우지 나위기지 이야이야요.
That was fun. Sheep. Okay. That's going to be explain everything. Oh my God.
That's the one I just want to
Like, you know, how can I sing this? So Nina always, Uncle Dad won't look, because you guys have your hands full. Meanwhile, all the time to have that another resource, which is voice resource to pretty well help you to sing this song and for you to learn this song. You might not be able to say pasikto. Maybe you're the teacher that, oh my God, boy, net, what is that? You know, what is that? So, and it happens. We have to be honest with one another. It happens. So, I pretty well looked at different resources. Yes, I took my phone. Because first 2 years, my phone was my office. I didn't have an office to work with all this stuff. So I was everywhere and anywhere working. So I would have my voice memo still on my phone. And I would still say, somebody will ask me from Acadia, Pablo, how do you say thank you in Mi'kmaq? Oh, record a lot when because it's really, no, that's how basic it is. Because you and then I send them the voice memo through email or through text message. Works. And then I would take a picture, and I'm trying my best to, this can't go on forever, I have to find something. So, you all know about Explain Everything, huh? So a lot of, it's an app. It's in it's in the App Store. And Miskaya. I'm just going to go to the App Store. show you.
Last year, remember trying to receive all they wanted on a USB board. Not the one thing. Can you? I can make
It has a different kind of app. Symbol now. They updated their symbol, but it's still the same thing. And mine was free, and I believe this one is free too. So most of the apps that I use are free. So they're so I downloaded this app, explain everything, and then I created a document, or I created a file, and this is my file. I wrote the song, and then I wanted to make this document to come alive. So when you download or when I send it to you, you're going to see it, word by word. Alors, c'est juste quoi?
I'm native this man.
Moi, je connais ou pas? Can you guide her? So it could be a Microsoft Word document, it could be a Microsoft Excel, it could be a PowerPoint, or any existing file that you have. And you can download that. So this is my file right there. This one is not colored. That's our document. And when we can airdrop that, simply airdrop means
airdrop var un document.
the idea is airdrop. I can send that file to my iPad. So I can press share this document, and I can share that document by sending you an email, or I can send it to text, or I can share it on Facebook if I want to, or I can send it to here. I airdrop it, and then I say, okay, Babalo, how do you want to open this? Do you want to open this file with explain everything app? Here's now books. Here's now YouTube, UI tools. Here's now Acrobat. Here's now Real Presence, Chrome, Files, Dropbox, Drive, Outlook. Where do you want me to open this? We want to open it with explain everything. So I press explain everything. Now, don't you explain everything? When we send it over there to explain everything, this page will pop out and explain everything. Now, don't you explain everything? These pages will pop out, and here's our document that we sent. Here it is. And it's asking us to do two things, either or. Insert one page to a single slide, or add as separate slides. For instance, if I sent Malpale with San, it has 2 pages. Okay, if I sent that file, we know that it has 2 pages. We can add those 2 pages into one slide, or we can have them as separate slides. So it's up to you, I suggest you always use one slide. And I because I use this app, when you export it, that's when the problem is, because it'll try to, if you wanted to make it as a video, it'll take longer, and your video will be long. So if I'm going to send it to you, it might come back to me and say, Pablo, they have to use that was a mail drop to open it. So I learned from experience that I should use only one page if I am going to record this. So that's what I'm suggesting to you to do. So I'm going to press insert one page. And here it is. So right off the bat, our project is in this file. That's on this page. And then it'll look like this. It'll look exactly like that in your file. Jeddore now. And when you have it on your file like this, using your fingers, you can make it smaller or bigger or wider, sagir, whatever you want. If you're going to take a picture of it, I suggest you put it right at the top like that, and then take a picture of it. Because if I were to send it to sock puppets, fine. So the nigga boy was always what second. So here's my photo. But, and then here are the tools, and I'm going to talk about them. Where I'm going. Now, you see it's moving around? It's moving around, get a lot. I'm going to press X, and now it's not going to move around. But the thing is, because if I touch that red button, our file will disappear. So just press it once, and then your file is there. So Najiginamasi is there. Now in Najiginamasi, there's going to be tools on the side. Now you can play around with those tools. You'll know what they are. Like I said, X is going to stop your document from moving. You can add other things. You can add a picture, another file if you want to. Or you can pretty well make a mark. With this one. And I could remove that. Oh, by pressing X, I can remove it. I can put a text box, and I can say, where, bubble, I can write that down, where bubble, and if you upside this, was capital X, where bubble. So those things, those are the tools, and then you also have a recording button tool at the bottom. Now that recording button is my best friend because I can pretty well record anything that's on that file. And those are the files. That's how I make animated. Can you just close the door a little bit? I make those animated videos for you. Or have you ever seen them on Facebook?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how I make them. So I'm just going to show you. My workshop is this. I want you to come out here, go back to your teaching, and you make your own files. You make your own material. The things that are working for you. And you can send that to a parent. Can you practice these words with your child? Or can you do this with your child? Or can you sing this song? This is our Christmas song. You know, things like that. So, again, I'm going to press that X, and here, right at the bottom of this, I'm going to press this little magic circle, as I call it, and here's my cursor. So, I'm going to record. Debasi nina basik duk, debasi nina basik duk. Najigina masi, debida jigna mijuajish, debida jigna mijuajish, najigina masi, nujigina mud escamalit, nujigina mud escamalit, najigina masi, Nut wideget na el malit, nut wideget na el malit, gahagi na masid. Then I press that red button again. Then you're gonna listen to your video because you're the one that has to edit your own work. Oops, wrong button.
Sinina pasiktuk, 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 tebasi nina pasiktuk, najiki namasi, debidajik na mijuajish, mijuajish,
We created that right here.
debidajik na mijuajish.
So, what are we gonna do with it? So we're going to export that. And how are we gonna export it? On your computers, like if you have an iPad, you will always see these little arrow things, like a box. You arrow edit, nadira. It could be on your phone too, computer. I'm going to press that. And here is a window that shows up. I can export it as a video, which I'm going to do, or I'm going to export it as a PDF or an image or anything you want, your project or whatever. But we're going to export it as a video. Right away, let me this, process a lot, download a lot. You'll see that. And you don't touch that until it reaches 100%. Now, ready everything. Another window shows up. Those are the windows that are going to show up. Where do I want to send this? Am I going to send it to Babes in my office? Or Janine? Or even my iMac in my office? Or do I think I'm going to send it to Facebook. Or maybe I'm going to make a copy to my Google Drive. Wherever, or maybe I'm going to make a message to somebody. I'm going to send it as a message to my friend. It's not an email to my friend. So you are going to pick what you're going to do. And so there's all kinds of options that you have of what you can do with that email. With that file. So, or you can add it to your notes in your computer or whatever. So, Neen, I'm going to choose to send it to Donna. You have your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Are you connected?
Probably.
I email them, Nanda.
Oh, Maha.
So, who has an email that's connected right now? Okay. That's your email. Can you tell us, and I just want to put testing 1, 2, 3, okay? And I want to send it. Here's her email. And I can put 50 emails if I want to. Which I do. And she's going to tell us if that came true. I think I am connected. Are you connected, Orion? Okay, we'll wait until she takes that and tells us that came over. I might not be connected, but let me do one now so that I will. So you have the ability to do that and post it on Facebook if you want to. Your file, you can put it on Facebook. If you have a private Facebook page, or if you want to do it like, and that's how I did some of my videos, I just posted them on Facebook. Because like I said, my focus is on children, and I wanted parents to grasp those videos and that song and sing that too. My brother-in-law, he's a grandfather, and he sings those songs to his great-grandson. Well, what I do with it, I send it to my email, I save it to my, my computer, and then I put it in there, because emails expire. You guys know that? Yeah, so she was able to open that, so it's compatible. So, 내가 뭐해? So that's our thing, and as you can now, the animated video. And I don't have to show you this, but I'm going to do it, but so other people.
Najiginamasi. Kebasi na pasiktuk.
And it'll point to every word, because you were guiding your finger.
Najiginamasi. Debidajik na mijuajish. 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 Debidajik na mijuajish. Najiginamasi. Nujiginamwet eskamanlit. 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 Nujiginamwet eskamanlit. Najiginamasi. Nutquideget na elmalit. 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 Nutquideget na elmalit. Kahaginamasi.
Okay. Now, I sent that to you, but I also have a really good friend of mine that sings that for me right here on another app that I use. It's called Sock Pockets. Or Pockets. Play about me. Bien, como querer que visualizes. That's my best friend.
Gil, that voice sung that?
Yeah.
Enjoyed after.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll show you how I did it. I'm going to make a file right away. So, the Farm Puppets, these are free in your app store. So, I'm going to go to settings, because I'm going to say, bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Press that. Oops. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Now.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Very slow, Gina.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
All these characters are going to say bubble, bubble, bubble.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
These are normal. I didn't change those. So if I put it really high, and if I put it really low, then you fool around with that hill until you want that sound. Did you want? We're gonna make a new file, and Farm Puppets. Sock Puppets again. Sock Puppets complete. $3.99. So complete. Because the other one only had a couple of them. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, okay? Then I press next. Then I pick the background. Just another cool thing, you could import your background. You could import that. So I'm going to import a wall veggie. I'm not going to pick any props, but I can. I could put a sun there. I could put a tractor there. I could put a farm there. Like, I'm not going to do that. And here's our little piggy is going to sing that song. I did a recording. Our baby, she's only next month. We had 2. but she's recording. I won't get it, so hagusuet. Porchigik fesa, edging buet. Nay, I did not said, well, it be a sawet. I won't get it, so hagusuet.
I won't get it, so hagusuet. Porchigik fesa.
They can sing for you. Yeah, that's how I make those animated videos.
He's women over the wrong song.
Love you. Got to stay along on, go be the way, cool the way. Okay, take some volunteers. Donna, gruskoorde men gishka, what, your, is that maho?
Malado beer.
Oh, okay. So, it's my thing. So, would I volunteer? I would put it with. Would I volunteer, but simple. You would not volunteer, too. All right. TPR, Hamasi, Jeddore, Sadasi, carefully. Pamelaga, Alabasi, Adlasami. Okay, Abjibasi, he did live. Pretty David, Mr. Muslim, okay? Hamasi. Oh, I'm supposed to say Sadasi. Alabasi. Adlasini. All right. Come on, now I'm done. Okay. Mare, ulabina. Okay, look. Nujigina mwen eskamali, eskamali, eskamali. Nujigina mwen eskamali, najigina masi. Nujikuya get na el malit, el malit, el malit. Nujikuya get na el malit, gagina masi. Te basini na pasito, pasito, pasito. Te basini na pasito, na jina masi. Te bidaji na bijuaji, bijuaji. Squadu ina hanekin na juaju, bisquadu ina hanekin na pebuege. Amaka vutineja kito masi, gladadine. Bisquadu bada duce na juaju, bisquadu bada duce na pebuege. Amaka vutineja kito masi, gladadine. Bisquadu ina hanekan juaju, bisquadu ina hanekan. Bisquadu pada luce kat atuadu, bisquadu pada luce kat atuadu. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Bisquadu gumusti atuadu, bisquadu gumusti atuadu. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Bisquadu paham atuadu, bisquadu paham apebuege. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Bisquadu ktini atuadu, bisquadu ktini apebuege. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Bisquadu bunji atuadu, bisquadu bunji apebuege. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Bisquadu bieno apebuege. Amaka lutineja kito masi gladadine. Onaguse, guess I said naguse, guess it well it is good. Onaguse, guess I said naguse, go away to me wasi, get you milidaji, miliwaji, wala sis naji, way we and onaguse. Yes, I said naguse, well I liek begisi. Te basini na pasito, pasito. I'm sweating away, I'm sweating away, double away, sister away, never way, what I'm up to, guess for day. Let me do all of this. I go ahead, dig a lot. Now, hi, John. Labadi, flashcards, ik hem mee. Dolan en Lofka. Jullie is ik sala. 이게 나는 뭐 바디에 sorry. Tang bas tegen bas megen ik zo zie ja dan megen ik. Ja. Plastic ja. Ulai. So net paper dom have to use laminate to waden. So what do you have to change? You do what you should change well. When we go up to So, ni gil nego. Jujula voice support legal. So, facility and detail matchawadu na. Okajidemen. Akejidundan wajiala. Say wadu no na wajiala. Wajala de gala explain everything at picture. So, mas medyo wadu iskala maway to tenyo.
Mit kug.
So, ni yan yang kigasi, sa may polistuwa daw na, sa may
Eyebrows. Ni gil nega. Knit kug. Knit kug. Git kug. Git kug. Wit kug.
So, edido support, ha?
Kug.
Oh, did you pass your little not 3 times? I mean, sorry.
Knit kug. Git kug.
So, we scroll them up the back. So, each card has a voice support. You're not doing what you're doing today. You can take 5 cards out with those songs. If you don't know how to say them, practice them. Practice a lot in him. So then you'll be able to sing those songs or whatever. Or you can do your TPR with those kids. They'll, oh God, guess what about them on these cards? I'm going to do these cards and I want to know how to say them. There they are right there. One time they got welcome me, they'll receive me general cards. I do the way I guy school and I redid them. So these general cards
Nailed. Dabu.
and you can send that to a parent.
Nail.
You know. So kiloasa. So those are general cards. We need jebal taking jujish. No. Run masuk dia jujish. Nanti wisuk jujish. Kesna. Tu guru masina mijip joy. Nadia mijip joy. And they have like the kisya jadu na. Chigalatis way to know them. Sagil. Meja pisna nibi also the mam goel. You know. So those are just, I call them general cards. These are posters from MK. Those are all the posters from MK. So they're going there. So those are available in that slide. Donna, give Daijin. I know what's this. Anyway, so the MP3, I suggest you take a jump drive and making that an MP3 for your file in the classroom so you can put that in your TV or your documents with a real up, and then you guys can play that all the time or whatever. So kilo, not a resource, no, whatever you guys want to do. Kilo. Now, how many people were at the other? Workshop? All right. Yeah, I have 30 USBs. Now, with this stuff on there, I'm suggesting what you should do is this. If you're sitting with a friend that you are in the same school, allow another school to take one, or another community to take one, because then you can double it in your community. Say, you guys can make your own. There are 16 gigs, 16 gigs, 8 gigs. There's one. With the 16 gigs, you can add more files in there. If I send you a file, that you have access to that files all the time. If I send you an email, it's going to expire. There's a lot of teachers that, I lost my file. Like, they're like panicking and everything.
Okay.
So, guess what, Donna, can you distribute those?
Did you set them out?
Yes.
Yeah, the digital.
I think you should take one.
Oh, okay.
Donna, ik noem ook de, like I said, blues cap.
Thanks.
Did you go out to DM? What would you do next week?
I have cards that I'm going to distribute to you. I'm going to give you one card each, okay? One card each.
I have 2 flashcards.
Alabijuk.
Is there I have them.
Oh, okay. Excited to do it.
I want these for me, so I can learn myself.
Yes.
I want to put them in my house.
Show was my dad learning.
Oh, okay.
Daycare. It's like a little concert. That's Mama Davis.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to, but I'm in the valley, so yeah.
Yeah.
So I heard that you guys might be opening a high school.
We're going up to grade 8 middle school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right now we're up to grade 6. We're building a new school and we want to go up to grade 8.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm a high school teacher and I'm working on moving back in the next couple years back to Nursery.
I have my middle school teacher already.
Oh, yeah.
But I'll be posting for grade 3 and 4.